This is Milka Trnina. She was born in 1863 in a small village called Vazišće. Her voice was otherworldly. It was enormous, the kind of sound that makes chandeliers tremble. She studied in Zagreb, then Vienna, and soon the great stages of Europe. Beirut, Munich, London, New York. She sang Wagner like no one else. Isolde, Brunhilde, Kundry. Audiences cried, critics surrendered. Then, disaster. An injury to her vocal cords. Most singers cling on. Milka walked away. At the height of her fame, she retired, quietly, completely. No encore, no decline. Back in Zagreb, she taught. Her students carried her legacy on stage. Her name, however, took a stranger path. In Switzerland, a chocolate company was looking for a name. They combined milk with Milka, her Milka. And so a soprano became a chocolate bar, wrapped in purple, eaten worldwide. Her voice is gone, no recordings remain. But every time someone tears a silver wrapper, her name sings again.